Guys, take a picture.
Yeah. Come on, Lloyd.
I don't own a camera. Aaron, take a picture of Lloyd.
Okay.
We'll compare it to Vincent.
Frederick, look. Frederick. Frederick, look.
Frederica.
What, Roberta?
No, I'm not Roberta.
Robina.
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 Isn't it supposed to be Rebecca?
Manang, you're so proud.
Hoy. It's very addict.
It's Diva, you guys can come with us to the resort tomorrow.
Where's your resort?
Click that one. Man.
This one here.
JR.
There's one near our house.
Bakla boy.
Here, gay boy.
It's only one city away.
I don't know how to twirl this. Me neither, don't ask. No. Oh, you can twirl it.
No!
Yeah, that's just look like that.
That's a
Oh, I
strawberry.
want to use this.
We have a strawberry.
What's that?
Here's my newest song.
Melanie, what's that?
Aaron.
What's that?
Hey, Frederick.
This is what gave me the porn star. And JR is a big translator. My third finger, my third hand. You, JR. Are you touching it?
Because
Are you
you're gonna
feeling
be...
itchy, Lloyd? Are you feeling itchy, Robert?
No.
Okay, wait. Watch. Robert, no.
Lloyd.
Lloyd, watch.
Nice.
Are you feeling itchy?
No, I am fine.
Shut up, you're making bad music.
I just put on butt cream this morning. How do you like? Did you put on butt cream?
But you put on strawberry.
That's me.
Twirl this.
I mean, no. That is me. I'm very beautiful.
Hey!
Oh, you want that? You got one too.
Yun na! Bastos.
Because Melon, you're leaving really early. No, we're leaving at 11 o'clock. Let's play this at 8 o'clock. Like, yeah.
And one.
You guys can go to the airport.
So that means...
Aray!
Ready, Borat.